Hi guys, Danny here. I've got another pair of wireless earbuds for you. These are using Bluetooth 5.0. I was sent these for review. If you'd like to pick these up, I'll put a link down in the description for you. Now these are quite similar to some of the ones I've tested in the past. What is a little bit different is how they charge, which I'll be talking about a little bit later. First we'll take them out of the box. So a pretty standard size charging case that the earbuds sit in. I'm not really a fan of the overall design of them. The shiny finish just kind of gives it a cheap plasticky look, and then you have the name on the top, which I also think looks a little bit tacky, but it's not awful. I'm just not generally a fan of the finish of them. And the earbuds themselves, again the same thing. They kind of have this shiny finish that just makes them look a little bit cheap to me. Now there is a latch on the front here, and you also have your micro USB to charge the case on the side. The latch on the front I didn't realise was there at first, and I actually just prized the case open. But this probably will make the case last a little bit longer because you're not relying on a single piece of plastic to constantly rub against. Having this latch will probably make it last a little bit longer, so this is a nice touch. This is where things get a little bit strange with these earbuds. They don't have a magnet that holds them in place, which pretty much on every other pair that I've tested so far they use this approach. These don't. They actually have a button at the top that you press to start the charging, which I'm not really a fan of. And the general design of these earbuds and the shape of them, they're not too intrusive and they're not as big as some of the ones I've tested. But again, I'm not really a fan of the finish on these. They do fit quite nicely in the ear, which I will show you later on. You do also get another little box which contains some different size earbuds, so it will fit nicely depending on the shape of your ear. And you also have a micro USB cable to charge the case up. These earbuds are very different in how they interact with the case compared to all the others that I've tested so far. So with these ones, you don't just drop them in and they start charging. You actually have to press a button for them to initiate, and this is how they light up when they are charging. The light at the top, the amount of times it flashes depends how much charge is in the case. So when it flashes 4 times, it's fully charged, and you also get lighting at the bottom to show that the earbuds themselves are charging. I'm not really a fan of this approach because you can't just drop them in the case and forget about them. You actually have to press the button every time. This will disconnect them from your phone and then they will start charging. It just seems like an extra unnecessary step. Now it could help solve some problems that I've had with some others, which is where they sometimes seem to continuously take charge from the case and then drain the case, but this doesn't always happen, and I kind of just feel having to press a button every time is slightly annoying, so I'm not a fan of this approach. Now another downside, unless I'm completely missing something with these, is when you take them out of the case, because there is no magnets, they don't know to power on automatically, so each time you have to power them on and then wait for them to connect to your phone, which again just seems like another step which I really don't want to have to do. All the others that I've used, I take them out of the case and they just connect straight to my phone. They felt pretty comfortable wearing them, and I didn't really feel like they moved very much. They do have a kind of lip on the end which sits nicely in your ear, so even if you were doing something like exercise, I don't really think they would move around too much. There are touch buttons on the earbuds that you can use to stop and start music, change to the next track, reject and answer calls. Where I was quite impressed with these earbuds is their bass. They did have a pretty punchy bass to them, probably one of the loudest that I've used. There was another pair that I used recently which had pretty decent bass, but I think these even overtake those. The sound quality is pretty average. If you're coming from expensive headphones, none of these Bluetooth headphones that I test are going to be for you. They are pretty average overall, but if you just want something that is fully wireless, has decent battery life and okay audio, these really aren't too bad. But I definitely think there's some better ones that I've reviewed. If you want to know which ones, I will put a link in the top of the video for you. I really hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing for more videos like this one. And of course, I will see you in the next one.